Okay guys, so welcome to another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x24 diecast model of 2017 Cadillac Escalade. So you can only buy this model in 1x24 scale. It is not available in 1x18 scale, and I bought this model for little over $30 from aliexpress.com. I'll provide the link in the description of the video. So subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So let's get started. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.